Welcome to another episode of Tech Talks. I'm thrilled to dive into a fascinating topic with you today: Istio, an open source service mesh that has been making waves in the world of microservices. So, what is Istio exactly? Well, it seamlessly layers over existing distributed applications, giving us a smarter and more efficient way to connect, secure, and monitor our services without needing to change much of the underlying code. Let's think of it this way. Imagine a busy airport with planes flying to and fro. Each plane represents a microservice, and the traffic control tower? That's Istio. It makes sure each plane gets it to where it needs to go, safely and efficiently. Pretty neat, huh? Now, Istio offers a rich set of features like load balancing, service-to-service authentication, and monitoring, all through its powerful control plane. Speaking of which, this control plane, which is known as Istioed, is where all the magic happens. It helps manage things like service discovery and certificate management for security. And at the core of this operation is Envoy, a sidecar proxy that every microservice will use to handle traffic. Picture it as the reliable airport staff, managing the arrivals and departures, ensuring safety and smooth operations at every stage. Oh, and let's not forget about what makes Istio even more robust: its ecosystem of components. We have Pilot, which configures the proxies; Citadel, responsible for issuing certificates; Galley, which cleans and validates configuration data; and the Operator that simplifies the operational complexities. It's like a dream team working together to keep our microservices, from various origins and functions, communicating without a hitch. Do you want to get involved? There's a vibrant community around Istio. You can visit the Istio GitHub discussions for questions, or even check out their wiki for developer guides and performance tips. It's incredibly engaging how open source projects encourage collaboration and foster a sense of community. Now, you might be wondering how the team manages issues. Well, they keep everything organized on GitHub, using a clear structure that defines epics, milestones, and priorities. This means they have a transparent way to track bugs and feature requests, ensuring that the development process is as smooth as the operations Istio is meant to facilitate. As we wrap up today's discussion, let's reflect on a couple of key insights. Istio not only simplifies microservices communication, but also enhances security and traffic management dramatically. It's an open platform, welcoming contributions and queries from developers around the globe. It's truly a remarkable tool for modern application development. So, as you contemplate your next tech project, consider how Istio could play into your architecture. Could your services benefit from a more organized communication strategy? I encourage you to explore further. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Tech Talks. I hope you enjoyed our deep dive into Istio. Join us next time as we unpack another intriguing tech topic. Until then, keep innovating.